Welcome back. Summer's here and it's time for the ultimate viral dessert roundup. Today I'm sharing 3 internet-famous recipes. Easy, gorgeous, and perfect for any summer occasion. From quick hacks to Parisian-inspired treats, these are the desserts everyone's talking about. Grab your apron and get ready for a sugar-filled adventure. Let's get baking. Alright, buckle up, dessert lovers. First up, we're diving headfirst into the TikTok sensation that's taking the internet by storm. Cinnamon roll tortillas. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking all the warm, comforting flavors of a classic cinnamon roll, but with a fun, crispy twist. The best part? It's ridiculously easy to make. All you need are flour tortillas, melted butter, that's going to give us that golden, crispy goodness, and cinnamon sugar. The dynamic duo of dessert deliciousness. Brush butter generously on the tortilla, making sure to get every nook and cranny. Then sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. Don't be shy. The more, the merrier, right? And roll it up tight. We want to create a nice, compact little cinnamon roll log. Slice into pinwheels, about an inch thick should do the trick. Each one looks like a mini cinnamon roll. Aren't they cute? Now pan fry in a little butter over medium heat. Keep an eye on them, flipping occasionally until golden and crispy. The outside gets wonderfully crunchy, giving you that satisfying bite. But the inside stays gooey and sweet, a delightful contrast in textures. For the finishing touch, mix powdered sugar and milk for a quick glaze. It adds that extra layer of sweetness and makes them look irresistible. Drizzle generously over the warm rolls. That's it. Simple, fast, and totally addictive. What more could you ask for? Perfect for a summer snack, a quick dessert fix, or even a fun party treat. You won't believe just how incredibly good these are until you actually try them. Trust me, you're in for a treat. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. It's the perfect equation for a winning dessert. This viral hack is an absolute must-try for your summer dessert lineup. Try it just once and I guarantee you'll be completely hooked. Cinnamon roll cravings instantly solved in minutes. Get ready to enjoy. Next, let's elevate our ice cream game and get fancy. We're diving into the world of French-style ice cream sandwiches, a delightful twist on a classic treat. The key to these elegant sandwiches? Use thin, crisp butter cookies, also known as sables. Don't worry about making them from scratch. Store-bought sables work perfectly and save you time. Look for a brand that offers a delicate, buttery flavor. Now, soften your favorite ice cream, allowing it to become easily scoopable but not completely melted. Once the ice cream is perfectly softened, scoop a generous portion onto one of the cookies. Gently press another cookie on top, creating a beautiful and delicious sandwich. For an extra touch of fun, roll the edges in mini chocolate chips or colorful sprinkles. This adds a delightful texture and a pop of color, making them even more appealing. The finished product? These look incredibly elegant, almost too good to eat. But trust me, they taste even more incredible than they look. The best part is they're surprisingly easy to assemble. These are perfect for impressing guests at your next gathering, adding a touch of sophistication to any dessert spread. And the ultimate convenience? No baking required. Simply chill them in the freezer for a bit to firm up and then serve. Feel free to mix and match different ice cream flavors and toppings to create your own signature combinations. The possibilities are endless, allowing for truly delightful variety. These French-style ice cream sandwiches are a chic and refreshing treat, perfect for those hot summer days. So indulge in a little summer dessert, Parisian style. Finally, let's make stunning, absolutely gorgeous summer fruit tarts. These are the kind of desserts that will wow your guests and leave them wanting more. We're talking about a delightful combination of textures and flavors, all wrapped up in a beautiful edible package. Start with a pre-made tart shell for ease. It saves time and effort, letting you focus on the fun part, the filling and the fruit. Bake until golden, a lovely light brown color. This ensures a crisp and sturdy base for our delicious filling. Then cool completely. This is crucial. A cool tart shell prevents the filling from melting and keeps everything perfectly in place. Whip up a no-bake filling. It's quick, easy, and oh so creamy. Cream cheese, powdered sugar, cream, and vanilla. These simple ingredients combine to create a luscious, sweet, and tangy filling that perfectly complements the fresh fruit. Spread the creamy filling into the cooled shell. Make sure it's evenly distributed for the perfect bite every time. Top with fresh berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. The more variety, the better. Arrange in colorful patterns for a show-stopping look. Get creative and have fun with it. Warm apricot jam with a splash of water for a glossy glaze. This adds a touch of sweetness and helps preserve the freshness of the fruit. Brush over the fruit to make it shine and stay fresh. It's the perfect finishing touch. These tarts are vibrant, refreshing, and so simple. Perfect for any summer gathering. They're light, flavorful, and always a crowd pleaser. They look like art and taste even better. The combination of the creamy filling, the crisp tart shell, and the juicy berries is simply irresistible. A beautiful way to celebrate summer's best fruit. Almost too pretty to eat. Almost. But trust me, you won't be able to resist. And that's a wrap 3 viral summer desserts, each a total crowd pleaser. We made cinnamon roll tortillas, elegant ice cream sandwiches, and fresh fruit tarts. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tag me if you make these. Thanks for baking along with me. See you next time for more sweet inspiration. Bye.